Craftsman career mode. This is Melbro3427. Don't forget to subscribe and like this channel. I've just started making videos, so my first one is apologizing for bad sounds because I actually made episode 1 of Craftsman, but then it had bad sound. Sorry about that, by the way. So now we're gonna be making Craft Village. So I hope you like this video. We're not gonna be going like above like 9 minutes, cause I don't really have much time. So this is what we're gonna do. We're gonna name our world Craft Village. Craft Village is actually a very good name. Okay, and we're gonna go in advance. Don't know what this. So I can. It seems I can add a server. So I've not seen that, but it's okay. Generating our world. Here we are. Craft Village. Okay. So we need to find a flat. Where do we go? Come on. There we are. A flat place. So now I'm just gonna just build our house since it's my first time recording a video on YouTube. So guys, I was telling you, don't forget to subscribe, guys. So we're gonna be going a little bit local, so we're gonna use stone. Don't forget the spruce. Spruce is important. So I'm gonna replace the torch with glowstone. And the stairs, I don't want those. I'm gonna go with stone, nether, and we need a glass panel. Okay. So now we're just gonna build my house. I need a big house. My house has to be nice, big, and stylish for a traditional house. That's how it should be. Okay, so I'm gonna stop over here. Hey cow, get out of the way. I'm building a house here. Get out of the way or I'll eat you for my lunch. Get away, come on, cow. About the ad, don't worry, we're gonna just skip it over. Sorry about the ad. That's just what Craftsman does all the time. So we will fix that. I will fix it. We're gonna build a nice infrastructure. Don't want a bad house. Don't want a bad house. Okay. We're gonna put that over there. Put that over there and put this over there, and we're done with our floor. Now I'm just filling out the holes with the glass pane. Some of it has gone inside, we'll fix that. So we're just gonna put something over here. Over here. Come on, let's do this. Some glass over here. I'm surprised but my windows are gonna be really small, so that's gonna work. So in the night I don't get terrified about monsters. Don't want me to run to my mommy. That's something nobody wants. That's something parents hate. Running to your mommies is something that no one likes. I mean, who likes you coming in the middle of the night, knocking on your door, and mommy, I'm scared. Yeah, no one likes that. So we're not gonna be doing that. Little windows. That's what we want. Well, bro, 3427. No getting scared. If you get scared, if you see any monsters, I'll put you in armor. No problem. I'm your protector. And if Pennywise tries to break in, we'll kill him too. Just tell him we're not afraid of him. Easy. Okay. So now that I've talked about Pennywise, now I am terrified alone here. I'm alone here. Need to be with someone. Need to be with someone. Please. Please, 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 please. Okay, so we're just gonna finish off the roof. So now our house is brilliant. So all we need to do now is put the door. I'm gonna go for an oak door, so no one will break in here. Don't forget about the spruce leaves. Spruce over there, and spruce over there. Yep, spruce everywhere. Gotta have spruce. Gonna live in a world of spruce. I just don't know why I like spruce too much. So I've not yet filled the house with furniture, but we will do that. So guys, don't forget to like and subscribe this video if you're new. Of course, I'm new too. So, have some mercy. Come on, pig. I didn't want to kill you. You made that your choice. So, now we're remaining with the oak fence gate. And then we will be done with our house. Okay. So, let's put some over there. It's gonna be like this house is a farm. This is what I call traditional, you guys. You guys should inspire yourselves to be like this. Yep. If you guys don't inspire yourselves, you can go cry to your mommy. Yep, that's what I'm telling you to do. It wasn't my choice. You made your life. Okay, so I think we should put some grass over there. So grass block, grass block, grass block, grass block. Okay, so we are done. All we need to do now is put in our furniture. This is a big space, so big space, big opportunities. So this is gonna be our TV area. It's gonna be like we have a really different place, so we're gonna fill that place with some stone. Yep. And we're gonna put our painting over there. Need a big one. Don't want a small TV. That's something we don't want. So, yep, just what we wanted. Now we have a big TV. Doesn't look like a real TV, but we'll make it like that because we don't really have much time. I think something's done like this. Yeah, but it's not done from there. Gonna skip a place, put the bed, put it back. And look at our nice bed, like a sofa bed, stylish. So it's getting the night. We're gonna put in our glowstone so we can light our place up. No, we destroyed one of our couch cushions. Yeah, I take that as a joke. I'll take that. Okay. So we're filled with all the furniture. It's the night. I'm afraid of going out at night. But we have lit up the place. There's one more design I have to show you guys. I mean, I didn't even know this was real. Oh my god, there's a spider over there. I did not even know this design was possible. Let me tell you how it goes. Oak fence, glowstone. Oak fence, glowstone. It's a really nice design. that I literally just came up with. Oak fence, oak fence, oak fence, oak fence, oak fence, and oak fence. So now glowstone, glowstone, glowstone. Glowstone is to light up the place. We need a lit home. So now look at our house. I think we should continue without any windows. So back here we're just gonna and we destroyed our house. We've destroyed the painting. We're gonna fix that. Want something phenomenal. Something big. Okay, what are the big paintings? I want the spider one. I want the karate one. It's the good one. Okay, why can't you give me a big, simple painting? I want small ones. I want big. Not spiderish. Big. You know what? I'll just keep changing it in the next episode. Let's put some power behind this. Over there. Don't forget, we have to look like a decent. We have to look decent. So we're gonna put flower pots. Then we're gonna put in I'm gonna put in a cactus. Cactuses are great. And right here they don't cut you. And they will destroy intruders. And I left my door open. So now we're just gonna go to sleep. And I think that's where we're gonna end off, guys. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Like this video. Or Pennywise will come for you at night. And I'm literally his best friend. So I'll send him to you. Oh my god! Monster attack! Monster attack! Monster attack! Okay. I'll check for any creepers inside. If this guy sees me. Doesn't see me. The best killing of the year. In the water. And I think it's a fish. I think it's a fish, dude. Come on, I'm a fish. I attack you in the night. It's dark. And you're dead. So, should we kill the zombie, guys? Think we shouldn't kill the zombie. Oh my god, there's a creeper in our house. Oh my god. Nobody panic. It's just a creeper. Literally destroy our house. Get away from us. No blowing up on my turf. I will literally destroy you. And that is gunpowder. Where's there gunpowder in the game if there are no guns? Seriously. Use common sense. So our house looks good. And I think we should end it from here. See you next time, guys. Don't forget to subscribe. This is Melbro 3427. Out.